If you've ever been in a meeting where you knew you could say something valuable, but couldn't find the right words in the moment, you're not alone. That's exactly the kind of problem Hedy AI is trying to solve. So I checked out a tool called Hedy AI, and it's basically an AI meeting assistant that works with you in real time while conversations are happening. The concept is pretty interesting. Instead of just recording meetings or generating notes afterward, Hedy actually listens to the conversation as it happens and gives you live suggestions. It can recommend what to say, suggest questions, and even help you respond to tricky moments without breaking the flow. So it's less like a note-taking tool and more like having a smart assistant quietly guiding you during the meeting. One of the standout features is something called automatic suggestions. The AI proactively detects key moments in the conversation and surfaces ideas or insights right when you need them. You don't even have to ask for help, it just shows up at the right time. It also helps before and after meetings. Before a session, it can generate prep notes so you know what to focus on. Afterward, it creates summaries, highlights key points, and even pulls out action items so you don't miss anything important. Another thing that makes it useful is flexibility. It works across different types of conversations, business meetings, job interviews, negotiations, coaching sessions, even personal discussions. And it supports 30+ languages, which is great if you're working with international clients or teams. Plus, it runs on pretty much everything mobile, desktop, web, and even wearables, so you can use it in both online and in-person meetings. There's also automation built in. You can send summaries to other apps, create tasks from meeting notes, and connect it with tools using integrations like Zapier or APIs. So, it's not just helping during the meeting, it continues to be useful afterward too. But let's be real for a second. This kind of tool isn't for everyone. If you don't attend a lot of meetings, or if your conversations are pretty simple, it might feel unnecessary. And since it runs in real time, it can use a decent amount of device power. Some users mention it can be heavy on battery, especially on mobile. Also, like any AI assistant, it's only as good as the context it understands. You may need to guide it or tweak how you use it to get the best results. But if you're in a role where communication really matters, sales calls, client meetings, interviews, or leadership discussions, this can be a serious advantage. So overall, Hedy AI feels less like a meeting recorder and more like a real-time communication coach. It's built for people who want to think faster, respond better, and show up more confidently in important conversations without relying only on memory or improvisation.